everyone, Janice this side and welcome to AI Center. Today's topic is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So let's get started.
We will be looking at this today. Let us start with the definition. Artificial intelligence is a field that makes computers intelligent in such a way that they can mimic humans' cognitive capabilities. These artificially intelligent systems are capable of understanding the information, processing it, and learning from them, and can make decisions out of it. John McCarthy is considered to be the father of artificial intelligence. Subfield of AI includes machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, image processing, and more. Next, let us look at the real life examples of AI systems. Smart assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and Cortana are capable enough of understanding humans' natural language, processing the input given in the form of voice commands, and reply accordingly. So, this is the example where AI is used in the form of voice. Next are the recommendation systems. So, applications like Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon recommends us movies, songs, or products depending upon our likes and dislikes. So, whatever suggestions that we see, like say movies recommended to watch, so these are done based on our likes and dislikes. Next example of AI is of self-driving cars. They collect real-time information using cameras and sensors and can decide when to move forward, turn, or stop. So, based on the sensory data collected, they can make the decisions. Next, Google Maps help us to calculate the fastest route, and Ola and Uber applications help us to get the real-time directions and predict the arrival time of our journey. Next, social media applications like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or say X, and TikTok, they recommend us posts or pages or suggest the friends based on our use behavior. So based on our previous clicks that we have done or previous likes we have done, so they recommend us specific pages, posts, or friends. And the last one is of email management, where applications like Gmail and Outlook help us to organize our emails, or say whenever we are drafting an email, so based on our input words, so they suggest us the text. So this is one of the applications where predictive text is suggested. Next, we are looking at the types of AI. There are two main types of AI, strong and weak. Strong AI is also known as general AI, and weak AI is also known as narrow AI. Let us look at the definition first. The strong AI is the AI which can perform any intellectual task that humans can do. And to the contrast is the weak AI, where it is designed to perform specific tasks only. This strong AI is capable of understanding, learning, and updating itself, and it can be used across all the domains, whereas weak AI can be utilized for a specific domain only. Strong AI is highly flexible and can adapt in the changing environment. But weak AI is limited up to certain tasks only, and for example, if it is trained for classification, then it can dedicatedly perform classification only. So for whatever task it is designed, it will perform that task only. Strong AI is still conceptual and it is not yet released, and no such AI system exists which is 100% perfect. To the contrast, is widely implemented, and whatever AI systems we are using are the examples of weak AI. Majorly, we can say that. Continuing it, so if we consider the example of strong AI, then it could be the system, for example, like a robot that can learn to cook, write, or solve any kind of problem. So this is the example of strong AI, which is like multitasking and can do whatever thing we ask AI to do. To the contrast is the weak AI examples like Siri, Google Assistant, recommendation systems like Netflix and Spotify. So these are the examples of weak AI. So if it is dedicated to recommendation system, then that AI will only do the recommendation, nothing else. Strong AI can learn and improve over time, whereas it will learn only for the task it is trained to do. Strong AI can perform any task human do, but to the contrast is the weak AI, which is excellent enough to perform only the one task, and it is not capable of doing more than one task. Strong AI is extremely complex, and to the contrast, weak AI has the simple to moderate complexity and is focused on narrow range of activities. Let us look at AI lifecycle. Now, to create any AI application, we need to follow series of steps, and it starts with data collection. So we need to first collect the data, and that data can be in the form of images, videos, or text. After collecting the data, we need to prepare the data in such a way that it can be given further to the model. So for example, if we want to cook a meal, so first we need to purchase the vegetables and prepare it, we need to first then chop the vegetables. Further, once the data is prepared, we provide it to the model and we ask the model to learn the patterns. So for example, if we want to develop a classification system where the AI system should be able to differentiate between a cat and a dog whenever the images are given. Next, once the model is developed, it is important to evaluate the developed AI model. So, we evaluate the AI model using various evaluation parameters like accuracy, precision, and recall, and we ensure that model developed should be reliable. And after the evaluation, we do the deployment, that applying it to the real world, like self-driving cars or the recommendation systems that we use. Now, how AI helps us? It helps us to automate the tasks, as I mentioned, organizing the email or say developing the assistant or chatbots where the queries of the users FAQs are answered. It improves the accessibility, whenever we can give the voice commands and it will be converted to text, so speech to text. Then smart vision is one of the important and notable application. So what happens in such kind of applications, that differently abled people are asked to wear, for example, glasses, and that glasses are smart enough that they give signals that there is some object to their left or front. So likewise, so it improves accessibility and helps differently abled people to understand that there are objects near them. So this is one of the very interesting applications of AI. Next is enhancing the customer service. So we all have might encountered that the chatbots of banks are contacting us on our WhatsApp, and we can use that chatbots as a means of like checking the balance or whatever transactions that we have done, asking that particular chatbots to generate the statement likewise. Next is the AI helps us to enhance learning. So applications like Duolingo personalizes lessons for us, and Grammarly improves our writing skills instantly. In the healthcare industry also, for whatever smartwatches we are wearing, so we can get the real time health matrices from it, and can be used, and that data can be used further for analysis. Next is in the smart transportation. So the traffic systems smart traffic systems can be adapted by the government in such a way that they can reduce the congestion in cities. So this is how AI is helping us, and gradually the usage of AI has increased much over the last years. So now let us look at today's insight. So AI mimics humans' cognitive capabilities. Then we have seen strong AI and weak AI, where strong AI is capable enough of performing any task that it is asked to do, and to the contrast, weak AI is dedicated to perform only one task. And next we saw that AI is designed to empower the humans and not to replace humans. So this is a myth that, or say misconception, that like AI systems like ChatGPT, Bard or say Gemini are going to replace humans. No, it is not like that. Humans are not going to be replaced, but instead it empowers humans and helps to do the tasks more effectively. And one more thing is important to consider over here, that AI needs to be used ethically, and we should take the responsibility that whatever AI system we are developing should be ethical enough.
This was all about today's video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Central.